your flooring specialist. Marble, we are going to go ahead and seal it. And what this is called is basically called the 6-side sealing, so that water doesn't come up from the bottom to the surface of the marble seal. Now let's get started. We're going to do a 6-side seal. In other words, we're going to cover with sealer, dip these sheets of marble in sealer for 15 seconds each, and then pull out, set on the floor, dry the surface for basically we're drying any excess sealer over the surface. Everything else is fine, let that dry on its own. We're only worrying about wiping off the surface so that everything else can absorb properly. And then once we install this floor tile, they shouldn't have any problems with the water going through the marble and then seeing like wet spots over the surface. So we're gonna go ahead and take care of that by doing this 6-side sealer method. Bam. So we're using the penetrating sealer by Aqua Mix, sold by Customs, and this is about 1 gallon, and hopefully half of this can fill this just enough so where I can dip the sheet and it gets 100% fully covered. All right, I think that's enough right there, as y'all see. So what I'm using is we got one of these heavy duty microfiber towel. All right, so we're gonna dip the first one in here, and as y'all see, it's fully covered. We're going to add just a little more. Don't need it, it already has enough, but it's pretty close. So there we go. I'm basically leaving it there for 15 seconds at least, and it's been about 15 seconds already. So basically I got this one ready. Let it drip out a little. We put it over a clean surface, then we use the microfiber towel and basically just dry the surface of it just like that. All right, that's one. All right, here's the second one. And we got basically 15 to do, and we're gonna wait 15 seconds. Pull it out. All right. Basically just pat it down, and after you pat it down, go ahead and wipe it off. All right, that's 2. Now we're ready for the third one. So that's it. We'll wait 15 seconds. All right. Let it drip out. Then move it over. So what we need to do at least 15 of these, maybe 16, because it is a 15 square feet shower floor. And then I make sure I wipe down, you know, where I touched it at, just in case we don't want to leave any spots. All right, so I want to show y'all something. So that's how clean it should look after you seal it. You shouldn't have any stains at all if you seal it properly, if you wipe it down in a consistent method. And dip them in, wipe them down, set them aside for them to dry for at least an hour. You know, let that penetrate, let that dry really well, and let it do what it does. So meanwhile, we're gonna go up there and get ready to set up and get ready to install, so that within an hour I'm ready to use these. Right, guys, so we just sealed them all. As y'all see, we laid them out after sealing them, and again, this is to prevent water from going from under the surface of the marble to, you know, it basically bleeds from under the surface up to the surface, and you can see wet stains because it's obviously marble, it goes through. So if we seal it doing the 6-side sealing method, that will take care of that problem. So that's what we're doing, and we'll go up there right now and I'm gonna show you where we're gonna install it and how it looks like afterwards. If y'all like this video so far, guys, like it, don't forget to share and subscribe. Thanks, guys. So these were the issues that the homeowners were facing. They'll turn the water on, these water spots would appear, and it would take days for them to disappear. So the 6-siding sealing method should definitely take care of this problem, no problem. However, we're taking it an extra step further using the Lot Epoxy 300 adhesive, which is 100% solid epoxy thin set. So that's an interesting video. Don't miss out. Subscribe, like, share, comment. I'll see y'all in the next one here at Epoxy Graph Formula. I'm out. It's now ready to get installed.